India is the second highest populated country in the world, the seventh largest nation, and one of the most ancient civilizations. Yes, you know these things, but what you don't know yet is that India is the most gullible nation to tech support scams. Microsoft survey claims that 7 in 10 Indians fell prey to such scams in 2020. What's the scary scam? What did the survey fully reveal? Is India a scam nation? If so, then how can you and I stay safe? I'll tell you everything that you need to know in this special report. You're watching TV9 News and I'm your host Deepak. Now, Microsoft's 2021 Global Tech Support Scam Research Report has gory details that send shudders down your spine because you could probably relate to it. What does the report have? Microsoft reveals that India witnessed a scam encounter rate of 69% in tech support frauds in the last 12 months, which is essentially 7 out of 10 Indians falling into the trap late online. Globally, this is among the highest, and what's worse is that the number of these scams increased with every phone call you received. There was a dip of 5% in such scam encounters globally, with 59% in the same period. What's a tech support scam? A tech support scam is when an unknown caller informs you that your system has hit a snag. A pop-up message on your computer prompts you to call tech support. In a sense, the tech support call you never expected is a scam. Even if the number is local or looks legitimate, these fraudsters use fake caller ID information to look like local businesses or trusted companies. The pop-ups about issues in your system are legitimate only if the source is your computer's manufacturer. What's the scam statistics? The survey was conducted across 16 countries with 1,000 respondents from each of these nations. In India, about 48% of the respondents informed that they were tricked into this fraud, and the number of victims was 8 points higher than in 2018 and 3 times higher than the global average, which stands at 16%. Shockingly, 1 out of 3 Indian respondents admitted to having lost money, which is again an increase of 17 points compared with 2018. On an average, Indians who fell prey to such scams lost more than 15,000 rupees. However, 88% of those who lost any money were able to recover some back, with the average being 10,797 rupees. How did Indians get fleeced? The most common methods of payment for those who lost any money were through bank transfers, which constituted 43%, gift cards 38%, PayPal 32%, credit cards also 32%, and Bitcoin users lost 25%. How were Indians conned? The survey noted that respondents in India were most likely to respond to unsolicited telephone calls, which is about 45%, as compared to pop-up window or ad on their PC screens, which is 33%, unsolicited emails 36%, and redirection to another website stood at 30%. Now it all boils down to how you can stay safe. Number 1, never give your password to the caller. 2, don't give remote access to your computer to such callers. Change your password if you've already shared it. Number 4, get rid of malware that pops up on your screen. Number 5, download legitimate software, as cracked versions will have a scam tool hidden in your files. Number 6, scan your computer and delete everything that warns of a problem in your system apart from the trusted manufacturer. 7, consult a trusted security professional if your computer has issues. And the last one is, if you bought any bogus services, ask your banks to reverse the money that was credited from your account. Now follow these steps and you'll probably be safe. The point is that you got to suspect everything on the internet. Do not get carried away by pop-ups or even offers. We Indians are smart, and let's not fall prey to such scams. Spread the word by sharing this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 News on various social media platforms. Thank you for watching and stay safe.